I have been involved with Special Olympics for over 20 years, and being a global messenger allows me to share my experiences with you, with people like you. In 2005, I went to Nagano, Japan to be part of Team USA with Special Olympics. Today, I am here to invite you to come and be part of the Rubber Ducky Derby on August 11th. If your duck wins the race, you get to win great prizes. The Ducky Derby is a fundraiser for Special Olympics. When you adopt a rubber ducky, it goes into the Chicago River with over 30,000 other ducks. So mark your calendars for August 11th of 2011.
The grand total raised by the students and staff was